Good morning. I will be demonstrating my spaghetti relay working. So first I'm going to open up the console for my project. We will set a default of 31337 for the port. We will set the number to 3 for the capacity. The special character for commands will be the negate symbol. Okay, our server is created, and now we will make 3 instances of the client. 1, 2, 3, and minus this. Here, 1 here, 1 here. And then we can show on Wireshark when they connect to the server. So we want to look up tcp.port equals 31337. Press enter. We're going to switch to client. I'm going to press play, continue without, saving. Now we connect to the server, and see there we get our handshake. We connect again, we get our handshake again, and then there we go, 3rd handshake. We got our welcome message that you joined the server with our helper list to show what the commands are before you start. We will now we will try to start a 4th instance. Switch to client, connect, and we see that it tries to connect and then it's disconnected because we are at full capacity. Okay, and then let's see, start 4, register each client. So now we will register the clients. We'll leave this running only to show the 30 minutes where it's going to send how many users are still logged in, and then I'll minus that. So we will register. Well, first we'll try to write. We'll get an error. You must be logged in to send a message. And then it'll prompt for help if you need help. We'll use the negate symbol and register our first client. Register Mark34 as our username and password. Okay, Mark is now registered and he can log in. We are going to do that same thing again. Register Mark34. Error, Mark is already a username that's being used. So we try again. Register Jan12. Okay, Jan is registered now. Register Jasmine 45. Okay, we get Jasmine 45 is now registered, and then we get our broadcast to everyone else to let them know that Jasmine is now part of the group, and we got the same thing for everybody else. So now we will stop this, minus. Okay. Also, we can see that we're broadcasting in the UDP to every 30 seconds to let them know how many users are logged in. So now we will log in the users. So negate login. This one is Jasmine 45. Okay, now Jasmine is logged in, and when we get our next broadcast, we should see that one person is now logged into the account. So now we'll log in this person. This person is Jane, JNE 12. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write log in. Log in space. Okay, they logged in successfully. And then register, log in, Mark 34. Okay, Mark is now logged in, and something I forgot to do, so I'll log back out just to show the log out function, but then also to show how many people are in the server. So we'll do the get list, and this will show us how many people are inside the chat. So we have 3, Jasmine, Mark, and Jane. So we'll do log out, log out. Okay, successfully disconnected. You see disconnected from the server, and Marcus left the chat. It was broadcasted. So now we'll do a get list from Jasmine's account, or from Jane's account. Get list. Okay, now we have 2, Jane and Jan. So we'll log back in so we can show the private messaging and messaging. So log in, Mark 34. Connect first, then enter. Alright, Mark has logged back in. Marcus has joined the chat again. So now we'll say, hey guys, what's up? Mark wrote, hey guys, or hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Again, now we got our 30-second update that there's now 3 users in the account, or in the server. We will send our private message now, so negate send, and then we'll send this to Jasmine, saying, hey, sorry I left, had to run to store. Okay, now we'll check Jasmine. Private message from Mark, hey, sorry I left, had to run to the store. Jane does not get this message, but it does say that he sent it, or Mark sent it to Jasmine. We'll send one back. Send to Mark. No worries. You missed the cake. Alright, private message delivered. Hey, sorry, let's see. I'm sorry. Message sent, sorry, or no worries, you missed the cake. And then got the private message. Let's see. Now we will attempt to register a 4th. We already tried that, but we can't. Then we will. Okay, disconnect from 3. Showcase the message relay functionality by sending chat. I did that. Test the message. Did that for private. Execute logout command on all but 1. Okay. So now we will negate log out and got our logged out, log out. Oops, sorry, I spelled that wrong. Negate log out. Okay, logged out. Now, let's see. We will. Sorry. We will get the list. Oh. Okay. So I guess we were supposed to do the get list as we let people leave. But now we switch down to just one user again. I've showed you as it incremented earlier. But we can also now display the server and the client log. Okay. So we will show you the folder with the logs over here. Should be, sorry. Sorry. Okay, so the command logs are here. They actually start down here for our demonstration. So we have that Mark used the get list. First we used that these anonymous users that were trying to register all use the command register to log in and register accounts. And then they use the get list and logouts and the messages they sent. Or, sorry, it's the private message that they sent. And then we come down to messages. And we have, hey guys, what's up? Marcus, nothing much. Hey, what's up? And that you try to log out. So it's good to keep these separate because now you can pull up. It's good for administration to where they can pull up passwords that were created. Just in case a user forgot their password, you can easily pull it up. You can easily pull up if someone offended someone else or said outlandish comments. You can easily pull them up with the timestamp of when they said it to use in a case or decision for removing the client from the server. So then we can come back to our app or our client, and we want to get a log of everything that was said in the chat. So here we go. We have public message history. Hey guy, what's up? Marcus, nothing much. Hey, what's up? Jane, look out. So Will is from a different, my earlier testing, but these are the chats that we're worried about down here. Hey, what's up? Len, logging out. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.